how to default Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to local save and bypass OneDrive. Hey everyone, so if you've ever gone to save a brand new Word document, an Excel sheet, or the deck in PowerPoint, only to find that Microsoft is aggressively trying to force you into saving it to OneDrive, you know exactly how frustrating it is. It adds extra clicks to your day when you just want the file sitting natively on your actual hard drive. So I'm going to show you how to change the default save behavior across the entire Office suite. So to start, open up any of those apps mentioned. For example, I'll just go ahead and open up the Word. If you're on the main landing screen, look at the very bottom left corner and then click on Options. If you're inside document, you can just click on the file right over here like this, and you'll be brought back here. So click on Options, then navigate to Save on this left panel, and then within this category, scroll down slightly into the middle of the screen until you see a checkbox that reads Save to Computer by default. There you go. So I've noticed that on my particular instance of Word, this was also unchecked. So I just went ahead and did it as well, so that everything is saved locally. So just check this box and then press OK. And also right below it, you will see a text field for the default local file location. So it's going to be right over here. And in here you can just press on Browse. Then your window will open inside your File Explorer. And here you can just browse any of your drives and locate and choose the folder that you wish for these files locally to be saved to. Pretty simple. And also guys, if you, for example, use some of these apps, for example, let me just open up Sheets or Excel, sorry. So if you have the same behavior, open up both apps, Excel and PowerPoint. Once again, go to the settings, go to Save, and in here, find the same toggle. As you can see, Save to Computer by default. So the interface is a little bit different, but as you can see, the toggle is under the same category. So that is it. Enjoy guys, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.